Let's make bread omelette today, ideal as a quick meal for breakfast, lunch or dinner. To make bread omelette for one person, I'm using 2 slices of sourdough bread. Now, it doesn't matter in which part of the world you are living in, sourcing sourdough bread locally is always ideal for your better health. You can start with trying to source it from the local farmers market or from any artisan bakery or even from a micro bakery. Into a bowl, I have already added 2 eggs, 1/3 teaspoon sea salt or as needed. If you're using pink Himalayan salt, you may need about half teaspoon. Sea salt has more salt flavor, so you need to reduce a little bit of salt if you're using sea salt. 1/4 teaspoon black pepper powder, half teaspoon Kashmiri chilli powder. Instead of Kashmiri chilli powder, you can also use 1 small green chilli finely chopped. A pinch of turmeric powder. A splash of water, which will be 1 tablespoon water. Adding water, cream or milk will help to make the omelette soft. So try not to skip it. 1/4 cup or 1/4 of an onion finely chopped. Instead of onion, you can use shallots, also known as small onions. With a fork, I'm mixing all this really well. Once nicely mixed, add in a teaspoon of coriander leaves finely chopped and again give this a good mix. Heat a pan with 2 teaspoons wood-pressed groundnut oil. Instead of wood-pressed groundnut oil, you can use butter, desi ghee or any wood-pressed oil of your choice. With a spatula, lightly spread the oil. Reduce the flame to the lowest and pour in the egg mix. Dip 1 slice of the bread onto the egg mix and then turn it over and keep it over the egg. Again dip 1 slice and turn it over and keep. Allow the eggs to get cooked on medium flame for 1 minute. Spread half teaspoon of butter on each slice of the bread. About a minute later, carefully flip it over and allow that side of the bread to get toasted for 1 minute on medium flame. After 1 minute, fold the sides of the omelette onto the bread slice and flip the bread and cover, and my quick and easy bread omelette is ready to serve. See how crispy the bread slice is. Just before serving, I like to slice the sandwich. If you have any recipe requests for you or for your loved ones, feel free to comment below. Thank you for watching, and until next time, take care. Bye-bye.